Hello, I'm General Mark Kelly, Commander of Air Combat Command, Langley Air Force Base, Virginia. I would just like to give a huge shout out to the hardworking men and women at the F-135 engine team at the Oklahoma City Air Logistics Center at Tinker Air Force Base. Your amazing success at increasing production output by over 185% is a readiness game changer for the combat air forces, and future output looks even better. This increase allows for the engines to not only return faster, but ensures we remain the superior force in the sky. Your dedication to mission and continually finding ways to deliver aircraft and engine faster and more efficiently is the true embodiment of the United States Air Force. Thank you and have a great holiday season.
I'm General Arnie Bunch, Commander of Air Force Materiel Command, and I want to add my thanks to those of General Kelly, the Commander of Air Combat Command, to the F-135 engine team for all the great performance and everything that you've done over the last year. A few months back, we found ourselves in a pretty serious hole. We didn't have enough power modules coming out, and we were starting to have more holes in the field than we needed. And it could have been very easy, would have been very easy for you as you looked at this to go, this is insurmountable, we're not going to do anything, and go, oh, woe is me. That is not the approach that you did. You understood the importance of this and you went at it head on. You employed the art of the possible. You opened up the aperture and allowed everybody to provide you good ideas on how we ought to turn this around and how to make these things happen quicker. And you dug out of that hole, and you've done an amazing job. What you've been able to accomplish is awesome, and I can't say thank you enough for that. You have already 2 months earlier than planned met your goal for the year, and you've already produced 6 more this month, and you're on track to produce 5 more, which means you're going to have exceeded by over 25% the amount that we expected to get through this year. What does that mean? That means more air power, a safer nation, and more capability out there, and more training and more ready forces. I talk about that we execute our wartime mission every day. Your actions embody my words and demonstrate to everyone the commitment that we have to making sure we can support the field. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You are awesome. You've done an amazing job. I hope you all have a very happy holidays and you get a little bit of time to recharge as you go into this. Together, we are one AFMC powering the world's greatest Air Force.